Speaker Paul Ryan says he doesn't believe in separating families, but that he wants to keep America's borders strong.
We made it extremely clear.
It is somebody's birthday on Friday, so we're celebrating early, okay? Very first puppuccino for his 3rd birthday. It's baby girl. I knew you were gonna fall. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dorino singing.
Oh, 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 oh,
Dory.
I love to swim.
But that he wants to keep America's borders strong.
We made it extremely clear. We want to keep families together.
Gasp at your dog and see their response.
Come here! What are you doing? Pop, 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 pop. What are you doing?
Oh no. Morgan did it. Why did you so mad? I'm sorry.
Come here! What are you doing? Pop, 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 pop. What are you doing?
Hi, Tina.
Hey. 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 Hey, little Wallace. Hey, little Wallace this side.
When your dog eats sushi off chopsticks.
Poor baby. He's just like, give me the whole scoop.